Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video vlog of actually my sewing projects for summer, spring, and I'm starting with this dress. This is one of my favorite dresses. I was out looking for material with my mom and I came across this material and I just fell in love with it. I didn't know what I was gonna do with it, but I just got it. I was just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So I love all this peacock feather print. It's great for summer. I'm just thinking, oh, I just need to find a beach, and just wear my dress there on the beach. It will take fabulous photos. So the dress, I actually use this new look pattern 6372. I'll put a link below if you want to get this pattern. But yeah, the one that I picked was A. It's quite similar to the dress. So I picked it because it's quite simple. This is very busy. It does not need a complicated pattern on its own. It just needs something simple and it will still shine. So when I made the dress, it didn't have any shape. It didn't give me any shape. It made me look pregnant actually, and I'm not. So I decided to put this belt on. Thank goodness I had this belt. And it cinched in my waist and made me look gorgeous. So I could put this on my waist or just under my bust, and when I put it underneath my bust just pops. So it makes my bust look bigger, which is not something that I'd say no to. So now this dress, I had actually two options of shoes to pair it with. I have this green pair of shoes or the brown boots. Either one of them actually go with this dress and the belt actually. So yeah, I have two options. I like having options. Yeah. Now, next outfit. Okay, this is my absolute favorite. I made this for my birthday and wow, like like the dress and the fabric, they were made for each other. Oh my gosh, this dress is just absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I use this McCall pattern. I actually I did B, and it turned out fabulous. Like you can just see for yourself. There isn't much to say, except for the fact that it turned out gorgeous. And again, this dress, I paired it down with these shoes, the Steve Maiden shoes. Again, oh my gosh, this dress, I actually made it to it for my birthday, and yeah, gorgeous, love it, don't regret it. Now, moving on to the next outfit. Okay, now this dress is, wow, this dress, what can I say? So I also love this dress. I got the fabric in this shop in Valencia. It was 30 rand a meter, which was pretty cheap. Yeah, so literally this dress cost me, I think I bought about 2.5 meters of this material. So it cost me around, so basically this dress cost me 75 rand. Yeah, 75 rand basically for this dress, because well, I already had lining and then a zipper. But yeah, so probably cost me more if I go to the shop. And for this dress, I used the simplicity pattern. I actually wow, I used this exact one that the model is actually wearing. So yeah, but she has pockets in hers. I didn't want to put pockets in, so I decided to do it without pockets. I thought about yeah, I didn't want the pockets actually, so I decided to just do it without pockets, though it has pockets, this one. And the shoes, these, I decided to pair it up with these shoes. I actually have other shoes, blue ones, but I just can't seem to find it. I've been doing a lot of moving around lately, so I don't know. So my shoes are in between places, I think. Yeah, so it's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so the second outfit is this dress. So I actually saw a similar dress, I think on Wish, and well, I was not gonna order from Wish because, well, I don't know, a lot of people that I know that have ordered from Wish, they didn't really have much positive response, you know, to say about ordering from Wish. So when I saw this fabric in this shop in Lenesia. When I saw it, I practically leaped at the fabric, and then I got the fabric, and to actually make this dress, I used this McCall pattern. I'll try to put a link below for this pattern, and this pattern is actually like a button down dress, but that's not what the look that I was going for. So when I actually cut this, I cut it on the fold, so I don't have to have these buttons, and it has a collar. I removed the collar from the dress, and then I added a V on the fold, so to give me all of this. So, and it's a high low with a curved edge, you know, in this pattern. So I used this as the basis of it, but then I just made adjustments, you know, with the V, and making sure that it's not a button down dress, and yeah, it doesn't have a collar, and yeah, and the belt. So the shoes, these Steve Maiden shoes, I actually got them from my aunt. I was so happy when she gave them to me. So yes, I pay those shoes with this dress, you know, my favorite color, pink. You know, I could do pink any day. Now, after the second outfit, so the next outfit is this dress. Oh my gosh. Like originally this dress, I was actually going to line it with some gold material, but my cousin convinced me otherwise. She said I should leave it just see-through, so I decided to listen to her, and I don't regret the decision. So for this dress, I used the Simplicity Project Runway pattern, and I actually used this actual pattern, but it has a little bit peephole here, but I didn't want a peephole, so I just didn't cut out that part. And it's actually a full dress, but I decided to make it like a tunic, sort of like, you know, shirt with the slit over here. So obviously I'm not gonna wear it like this. Wear it with some black jeans and a nice little sexy bra underneath. And this outfit, I actually decided to pair it with those shoes, you know, these shoes here, this gladiator heels. And yeah, one of my favorite things about this dress are these buttons. My mom hooked me up. I actually forgot to buy buttons, and I was actually done with the dress, and I'm like, oh my gosh, buttons. And then my mom hooked me up. I was so glad. So yes, yeah, I love this outfit too. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.